Welcome to the definitive guide to optimizing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra camera. We're going to unleash the ultra potential of your device. The Samsung Ultra ships with conservative defaults, disabling over 50 features. We will break these software locks to reveal the true camera, the caged beast. Escape the FHD trap. Switch to UHD or 4K for clarity that matches modern TVs. Avoid 8K unless you need the cropping flexibility. For a cinematic feel, don't tap to zoom. Instead, slide the shutter button for a super smooth, constant rate zoom. To soundtrack the moment, enable audio playback in advanced video options. This allows you to record video without cutting off your Bluetooth music. Mastering time means upgrading motion photo to before and after. This uses a buffer to save the moment even if you click too early or too late. Capture the cosmos using Expert RAW and Astro mode. A tripod is required, but the long exposure computation eliminates noise for perfect starscapes. Widen the soundstage by enabling Dolby Atmos for playback. This physically widens the audio perception for immersive movie watching and video review. For immersive playback, use camera cutout settings to hide the hole punch. This creates a clean, distraction-free window for reviewing footage. Achieve zero latency access by mapping the side key double press to quick launch camera. Never miss a fleeting moment again. Use the sniper shortcut, a custom camera widget. Launch directly into specific modes like portrait or video from the lock screen, bypassing the menu. You are now optimized. The restrictions are gone. Go create with UHD resolution, slide gesture zoom, audio playback, and instant access.